Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to use the abilities in Fish It. So in this latest update, there's a brand new feature that called abilities at the items like this one. And then this feature can boost your fishing activities or fishing rod with special powers. And to get it, just tap on get more like this. You can see it. And then in here you can obtain these abilities through the gacha system like this, and its ability has its own tier. The higher the tier, the rarer it is, but also much more powerful. And every ability comes with different effects. Some might increase your luck, improve your catch rates, and many more. So make sure to check what its one does. And to get these abilities, just simply tap on roll, this one. You will get one free roll at the start, and if you want to reroll for better abilities, you can buy additional rolls using Robux by tap on buy spin over here, like this, and then just buy these spins that you want with Robux. So in here, I want to try roll my abilities. Just tap on roll, and okay. In here, I got the singularity. It has a black hole power with a large luck boost. So yeah, that's basically how abilities works in Fish It. Just try your luck and get a high tier abilities and make your fishing way more powerful. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.